Hey everybody, exciting day on the homestead. One of the things that I was concerned about in this house, buying this house, was there was no ventilation in the bathrooms or in the garage. And after several months of debating on what to do about that, I decided I did not want to tear into the ceiling and have to change everything around and hire a contractor and all of that stuff, not even knowing whether I would be able to get all the supplies I need to get the job finished with the shortages and everything. So last August, the end of August, September, I decided I would just change the windows. And that's sort of a clean, you take them out, you put new ones in, and you don't disrupt the ceiling, because I have that painted ceiling, kind of whatever that's called. It's patterned ceiling, and the way that the eaves are constructed, it would have required tearing into the ceiling to put in exhaust fans. And so I decided, even though it's kind of expensive, I decided to replace the windows. So the installer is here today, finally, after about a 6-week delay, and that's what's going on today. So stay with me. Okay, he's already popped the old one out of the guest bathroom, and that one is in. And today is really absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful fall day. I couldn't ask for a better day. We have just a few little clouds going over, but it is t-shirt weather. And how many more of these kind of days are we going to get? Really, where? You can tell me later. You know, it's always a little unnerving, even though it's something you anticipate for a while. It's a little unnerving to have disruption in your house and things going out and things coming in, and I think I'll be happy with my choice, but I've got mixed feelings because picture windows are so nice, not having that bar across your view, which I'm going to have now in my bathroom. And if I ever do put a bathtub in there, which I hope and pray I get a chance to do, that's the window I'll be looking out, and it's going to have that white bar right across the middle. So, yeah. I don't know how that marjoram is still alive. I never remember to water out here. Hi. 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 Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Spy. Oh, you're getting heavy. You need to exercise more. Okay, go climb that tree. Come here, Pax. Come on. Good girl. You are so sweet. BJ! Hey, BJ! Hi! And I've always had this thing about wind, and I know it's beautiful seeing all the leaves falling and everything. But wind is a little unsettling to me. And then when you add the construction sounds, don't like being up here? Okay. Oh, he's getting heavy. He's getting heavy. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh, goodness. The windows were open for a while and there's wasps and ladybugs. I just killed a wasp. Can't have those in your house. So he is gone and all the windows are in and I'm happy. So thanks so much for being with me today. I am going to go over to the side garden and see about getting some more okra seed heads because this is one of our last warm days. It's going to rain tonight and in the morning, so hopefully I can collect a lot more seed and have seed to share next year. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. I made one more sweep out there and I got a big bag. There's 4 or 5 eggplants in there that have been frozen a number of times, so I don't know if they're any good, but I got a lot of lima beans and they've been frozen, but that's the only thing out there that looks like it might even be edible. The okra pods really don't look that good. They look like they've been frozen and they're mushy, and then this is a real concern. This is a huge concern. This is growing everywhere and I gotta find out what this is. Because that's gonna be hard to take care of. It seems to have come up in the hay. I don't know how else it could be out there. Patch, what is it? What is it? If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.